Maku-curious sila, bakit blessed island ang Boracay? So the correct answer here is letter C. Okay? Next. Okay, Malaysia Airline flight. Yan. MH370's disappearance is still under investigation. Tandaan niyo yun ha, airline flight MH370's disappearance. Ibig sabihin ng disappearance ay nawala, is still under investigation. Many countries joined in the search for what really happened and where the aircraft is now. Nasaan na kaya? Kasi di ba nawala eh. The flight lost contact with air traffic controllers about an hour after its takeoff. The weather was fine when the aircraft was flying, so it adds more theories about other possible reasons of the aircraft's fate. So the oil slick spotted off Vietnam's coast turned out to be a fuel oil used in cargo ships, so it has nothing to do with aircraft. Interpol also says the disappearance of the jet plane has nothing to do with terrorist attack. More questions are adding to this quest and no specific answer is given and proven yet. So may nawala daw ng aircraft. Saan kaya napunta? Okay, so the above selection supports the idea. Anong sinusupports niya? So, ang sinusupport niya, syempre, yung disappearance is still a mystery. Very good, it's letter B. Okay, mystery pa din. Kasi hindi naman na-solve. Ano, kung nasaan pa rin. Next, Flappy Bird. Hang on, guys. Malapit na tayo. Huwag na kayo umalis. Tatapos na tayo. Okay, Flappy Bird, a mobile game created. Oh, sino naglaro dito ng Flappy Bird? A mobile game created in 2013 by Dong Nguyen from Vietnam became a hit at the start of 2014. At the end of January 2014, it was the most downloaded game in the iOS App Store. The game is extremely addictive. Sino mga na-addict dito? And difficult. So users harder to score higher strive. Due to its popularity, the creator decided to remove it from the App Store. Because of its millions of downloads, Nguyen claimed he was making $50,000 per day from it. The demand of Flappy Bird made some gadgets owners to sell their devices with Flappy Bird installed for twice or thrice their original price. So, it's about a game, the Flappy Bird. So, what is the best title for it? Ano kaya ang best title? Nagkaroon ng time na dinown nila yung pag-install nung Flappy Bird kasi sobrang daming nagda-download. Okay. So, most downloaded game. So, hindi siya naka-specify. So, wrong. The rise of the game apps. Bakit apps? Isa lang naman yung tinutukoy. Flappy Bird lang. So, hindi siya. Anong sabi ko? Hahanapin natin yung pinakang catchy. Yung siba ay catchy. Flappy Bird app. Di ba? Hindi naman. So, the correct answer here is letter B. The demand of Flappy Bird game. Okay. Next, according to NASA, effects that scientists had predicted in the past would result from global climate change are now occurring, like loss of sea ice. Random nyo na ba yan? Di ba sobrang init lagi? O kaya naman, halimbawa, sobrang init, tas biglang uulan. Sino nakakaranas na nun? It is because of the climate change. Totoo po yan. Accelerated sea level rise and longer or more intense heat waves. Di ba? Nagkakaroon pa nga ng times na nawawala ng pasok sa sobrang init. Even our Earth's average temperature has increased about 1 degree in Fahrenheit. In the 20th century, many experts and scientists believe that global temperature will continue to rise from 2.5 degrees Fahrenheit over the next century. So ganun kalala yung climate change. So ang ating main idea is climate change. So which of the following conclusions best to summarize the selection above? Oh. Ano yung best natin? Climate change will continue to get worse until humanity takes serious action to stop it. Siyempre, hindi naman na sabi doon na may ginawang action ang mga people. Global climate change is happening on Earth now. The effects of climate change are getting extremely dangerous, ba? Or letter D, global climate change and its effects are occurring and are likely to increase over time. Di ba nasabi doon sa hulihan na for the next century, baka tumaas ng 2.5 Fahrenheit ang init natin, di ba? So the correct answer here is letter D, increase over time. Next, why is the internet privacy very important to all of us? Internet privacy, bakit napaka-importante daw? Okay, letter A ba? Because it is not safe to trust anyone with our online accounts. Because nobody really owns the internet. It is a free space. Because it protects and secures not only our online accounts but also our online activities. Because the government's protection is not enough. The correct answer here is letter C. So mas specific siya kaysa dun sa ibang choices. So it's letter C. Next, the paragraph is mainly about the importance of search engine optimization, the life of a successful website, the secrets of making a website successful, or letter D, how to apply search. Okay. It's mainly about letter A po. Search engine optimization. Okay. Next, there are around 2 million Filipinos without jobs today. That includes graduates and undergraduates. So, ang ating focus dito ay Filipinos without jobs. Okay? Kasi nga, kasama na dito yung mga graduate natin hindi pa graduate. Okay? According to survey, there will be another 500,000 to graduate this year without possible job placements. Unemployed people complain about job shortage. Many go to the cities to apply to some companies, but end up going home with nothing. Ito po ang natin. Unemployment rate increases each year even though there are many job fairs. Bakit kaya? The paragraph states that, ano yung sagot? Unemployment in the Philippines is common? No. Unemployment rate in the Philippines is seriously increasing. Tama namang seriously. Increasing na po talaga yung unemployment rate. So the correct answer is letter B. Letter B po. Tama po. Okay, last two slides na. Last na to. In the Olympic Peninsula of Northwest Washington State, a small town named Forks exists under a near constant cover of clouds. It rains on this inconsequential town more than any other place in the United States of America. It was from this town and its gloomy, omnipresent shade that my mother escaped with me when I was only a few months old. Story 2 ha, it was in this town that I'd been compelled to spend a month every summer until I was 14. That was the year I finally put my foot down this past 3 summers. My dad, Charlie, vacationed with in California for 2 weeks instead. So madami dito sinasabi ha, not months, weeks. It was to Forks that I now exiled myself, an action that I took with great horror. I detested Forks. I love Phoenix. I love the sun and the blistering heat. I love the vigorous sprawling city. So ito po ay galing sa The Twilight Saga. Ano, parang scene siya. So provide a specific setting. Sa lahat na nabanggit ko, ano yung pinakang setting niya? Oh, story kasi yun eh. What's the answer? Phoenix ba? It's letter C. Forks, Washington. Tama, balikan natin. Ayan, Forks. Ano? Forks. Washington. Nasa unahan siya. Okay. So, di ba, minsan sobrang haba, tas ang tanong lang pala is ano yung setting. Ano? Okay, so that's the last slide of our lecture tonight. I hope you learned so much from me from day one to up to this last day. Ayan. Thank you very much sa inyong lahat for listening to me up until this time. Kasi anong oras na? Magta-12 na. Hello? Ayan, nawala ako. Ayan, nawala na kayo din. Okay, thank you very much. Nag-reconnect pa ako. Good luck sa examination nyo. Okay, you can now leave. Bye. Good night. Okay, bye. Ay, yung PPT at saka yung mga handouts, ipapasend ko na lang. Okay. Bye.